Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm back with another installment as we get closer to being finished. Another installment of the Spring Blossom Junk Journal start to done. And we have some more of the embellishments that we have made and we're going to put in the book. And then we have a couple things that we are gonna do. So let's get right to it. So first of all, we have this flashcard, and I thought it could go in, like, right in this pocket. That way there's something in this pocket. Now, you could go ahead and I think we'll do it just really quickly. Add some glue to the back of this and turn it into a place to write. So just by doing that. But first, since I have glue on there, I have a bicycle. I have a bicycle napkin that we haven't used yet. So we're going to rub this around and turn it into, like, we have to do this really fast. Okay, so really fast. Do that. Put the bicycle down. Okay. And you'll see the flashcard through the napkin. So this is a napkin that we've added, and I think we still have one more piece of napkin that we can use. And I just really like these napkins. I had this idea for this kit all the way back in November, and had actually started collecting items for this last summer. And when I saw that the bicycle had the flowers on it, I was like, well, that will be really cool. And it was the right colors with the blue and the pink. So I was collecting things that were blue and pink and yellow. Okay, so there's that side. And then go ahead and turn it around. And there's a couple of things you could do here. You can go ahead and just glue, I don't know what was on there, some on there, or you can, let's see, I'm changing my mind about where this is going to go to, I believe. Not sure yet, but this might end up going somewhere else instead of in that pocket, because that can have something that can be more hidden. Okay, so I'm putting some more glue on. I love this. I love how fine tip this is. But when you do this, you have to work really fast because it will dry really fast. So I'm just going to take this and lay it down. It's a little bit thicker paper, just because my copy paper over here is, I don't know where, I'm out, I guess. Okay, so now we can go ahead and go around. And of course, you could go ahead and pull down on the napkin like we did on the bag where we used the napkin in the front, or in one of the first embellishments we made. Might have even been the first for this series, was the bag, using the glassine bag and the bicycle napkin. So there we have a card, and it is ready. And I really think, because I know I needed another one of these back here, I believe. And cool. And it's not anywhere near the other bicycle. So we'll let this dry, and this will probably go in here or somewhere where you can actually see it. So I'm going to go ahead and set this over here and let it dry. So you'll want to go ahead and put your bicycle, napkin, one of your pieces, and something on the back of your card. Okay, so adding some of these little things, we have a blue lined index card. So what we're trying to do is get a variety of colors on the different pages. So we have a bookmark here that's pink, the paper's yellow, so I'm just thinking we'll just add the blue right there. And then we have the yellow one. And well, there's a pocket that could use something. Oh, okay, we never opened the Monet. So we can come over here and cut the edge off this. We'll save this because you never know, we might make something out of it. But we have the yellow button there. Oh, there's our bag that we made with the bicycle. We can just stick this card right in there. And okay, I'm going to cut a little bit off of this because I don't want to cover up that daisy. And we can always use little pieces of this in our mini junk journal. So something little like that will be great in our little mini junk journal. So we can just go ahead and put that in there. There we go. And we'll take this over and put it in the scrap stuff. Okay, so the other one of the, we have keep moving the little things. I'm like, that's going to be fun trying to find places for all those. But I did have an idea for this, and this is double-sided. This is from the inside cover of the book that I have been using. Look how much is still left. I mean, I have used a lot of book pages, and we still have that much left. But this was in the inside cover, and I thought we could use it on the daisy packaging. So one daisy packaging has the address book with the pic. On mine, it has a picture behind it. And then we have the other one here. And so I was like, I wonder if that, and it will. So we're going to go ahead and clean this up. And I'm just going to go ahead and get the paper ready for it. I don't know if I'm going to decorate it or anything at this point. Look at there, I got a yellow strip. Okay, so if it were to go in, we'd go right to here. Okay. Cool. I have an idea for the piece that we're cutting off. Of course, it would be perfect size for like a tag. Perfect size for a tag. So there. Okay. And see if I can come up with an idea of something else to do with that. This was packaging that I had packaged your kit. If you're working with one of the kits, I packaged your kit in part of your kit in some of this daisy packaging. So yours might actually already be shorter. I might cut this down so it makes it easier to pull it out. I don't know yet. We'll see as it flips around in there. So the one other thing that I noticed we didn't have was a pocket in our back page. And our back page looked